Even with a huge storage on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, duplicate files can take up space and make your phone less organized. Let me show you how to easily find and delete duplicates. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Then tap Storage. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap Duplicate Files. Here you will see files that have multiple copies within each section. Select the duplicate you want to delete. The phone will automatically keep one copy, so it's safe. As you make selection, the delete button at the bottom will turn blue. It also shows how many files you pick and how much space you will clean up. When ready, tap delete and confirm by tapping delete again. And that's it. Your storage stays clean, tidy, and clutter-free. Even though the Galaxy S25 Ultra has plenty of space, managing duplicate keep your phone organized and easier to use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.